Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik. On this guide I'm going to show you how you can design with Elementor Pro the archive of your posts in WordPress. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to design your archive posts page, you have to log into your WordPress admin user and of course download and activate the license of Elementor Pro. This is mandatory, of course, in order to be able to design templates using Elementor. And right here on the dashboard, you can see on the main menu, you have the options below templates to add or edit theme builder templates, like for an example, the archive template. Now let's go to switch to table view and see the archive option. Right here, I click on that and add a new template. So let's call it an example of an archive. That's it. Create a template. And now I will receive from Elementor some designs that I can use, but of course I can create my own from scratch. These are the options that I can use importing from Elementor templates. And right here I have some elements that belongs to the archive options, like an archive title, which takes the category title, the category name exactly, and of course I can align it to center, and now see that it has the word archives, and then it shows two dots and the category name. I don't want that, so I click on this key and say no for the include context option, and that's it. Now it will only show the category name on the title. You can of course add some breadcrumbs as well for good SEO, and I can show and present the archive posts, like it's only for the same query, which is the category posts only. If, for an example, the user go inside web design or web development or SEO category, he will see the same design as here, but he will see different posts that are related to the same category. That's it. Now I can of course design it as much as I want. I can add images, I can add texts, headlines, other elements that I have right here, like videos and so on. And of course, now the most important thing is to display it after the publish on conditions. Like for an example, I can display it on all the archives, all the categories as well, like auto archive, date archive, search results, and posts only, or on a specific category. Like for an example, I have guides that, let's say for an example, this specific category, I only want to present and display this design for this category as well. So I just choose this specific category and present it there. But if I want only to present the same design on all of the archives, like I showed, or all of these options, tags, categories, and auto archive, date archive, and so on, now I can just choose that and save and close. And that's it. After I publish it, it will display the same design as you can see right here for all the users. And this is how we do it. So it's very easy to design your archive posts in WordPress using Elementor Pro. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below when I will comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.